Have you ever dreamed of illustrating a children's book but didn't know where to start? Same here. I used to scroll through Pinterest thinking I could never draw like that. But guess what? I started with zero experience and today I'm going to show you exactly how. Whether you are a beginner, a hobbyist, or just curious, in this video I'll walk you through my simple step-by-step process for creating magical children's book illustrations using easy references. If I can do it, trust me, so can you. So the first step is finding the idea, because every story starts with an idea. I asked ChatGPT for the ideas and I selected the one which is a bear afraid of the moon, and then I started searching references. I simply searched a bedroom in which the bear will be sleeping and he's afraid of the moon, and then I searched a big moon in the jungle, and then I selected these pictures. I search for references that match my vision, poses, expressions, color palette, a nighttime scene. When I finalize the reference, I use it in Procreate. If you are a beginner, you can do like I did in this video. And if you can draw just by looking at it, you can add it in the reference section. Then I started drawing rough sketches first. This bear was in my mind. You can also take a picture of bear as a reference. Don't aim for perfection, just focus on capturing emotion and the character. Loose lines, messy shapes, it's all part of the process. Once I'm happy with the sketch, I go in with the cleaner lines and begin refining the shapes. This is where the character starts coming to life. Little details like eyes, fur texture, or clothing make a big difference. So for the colors, I pick soft, dark tones color because of the nighttime scene, but the storybook friendly colors are usually pastels or warm tones. Keep the colors light and playful. This was a nighttime scene, so I chose the dark colors. First do flat base colors, then add shading, and then add highlights. I added textures, background elements, maybe some stars or trees, just enough to support the scene without stealing attention from the character. You have to focus the emotion of the character. In my illustration, the bear is afraid, so I tried to put the emotion on his face. I'm attaching the time lapse of my drawing. I'm adding some more details, adding textures, shadows, highlights. Just focus on the light. Like in my illustration, the light is from the moon. The brushes I used in this illustration are monoline for the base, charcoal roll and vine charcoal for the shading and textures, caged for the wall texture, and Narinder pencil for the sketching. And that's it, a full children's book style illustration from scratch. You don't need art school or fancy skills to start. You just need curiosity and a little patience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what would you want to draw.